Hello students, today I will start a new topic, different types of chart. Okay, so you can see here the types of chart. Okay, I will explain you one by one each chart type. Okay, now I will start from the first one, column chart. What is column chart? Column chart shows data change over a period of time, and it is ideal when you want to compare the data items from a single category of data. Single category of data means you will use a single category, not a multiple category. Okay, so here you can see this example, it's a single category. Here you can see only one type of category, a name category. Okay, and the marks of the respective students. Okay, so column chart is ideal if you want to do comparison. Okay, so what is column chart? If you want to see a column chart, just select the data. After that, click on the insert option and choose column option. Okay, so that is a column chart. Got it? Now next one, bar chart. Like a column chart, bar chart also shows comparison among individual items. So what is the difference between bar chart and column chart? The difference is, in column chart, categories plot in x-axis and value plot in y-axis. If you select the data and you will insert a bar chart, then wait, okay, so you can see what is the difference. Here categories plot in the y-axis and the values plotted in a x-axis. That is the difference. Okay, in column chart, x-axis represent a category and y-axis used to plot a value, and in a bar chart, y-axis used to plot a category and x-axis is used to plot values. That is the difference between the column chart and bar chart. Now understand the next one, line chart. A line chart shows how data changes over a period of time. Over a period of time, in a line chart, each data item is represented by a dot called a data marker. Now listen, open. First you will open the data. I have already created. Click here, line chart. Look here. It's a list of months, and that one is the temperature of the months. Okay, so it is used for what? To show the change over a period of time. Means after certain period, means after 30 days. In February month you can see the changes. In March month you can see the changes in temperature. In April month you can see the changes of the temperature. Okay, so in that condition you will choose a line chart. Click here and click on the line chart. Look, in January temperature, February temperature, March temperature, okay, April temperature. Got it? Any confusion? Okay, that is the use of line chart. Got it? Now understand the pie chart. A pie chart represents the distribution or proportion of each data items over a total value represented by the whole circle or pie. This chart is used for showing the data from one data series only, from the one data series. Understand this one with the help of this example. Open a pie sheet. Okay, look here, I have created one data series, the name of the mobile companies and their sales. Okay, suppose that some sales has done in 1 month or 1 year. Out of them, this amount of sales has done by Samsung, this amount of the cell has done by Moto. Okay, this is iPhone cells and this one is the Oppo cells. Okay, so in that condition, if you want to represent the distribution or proportion of data item over the total values, means in which ratio they sold their phones, what is the percentage. Okay, so in that condition, select the data, click on the insert option and choose pie chart. Now you can see Samsung represented by blue color, Moto represented by red color, iPhone green and Oppo purple. Okay, when you place here, you can see 36% cells, 33% cell, 16% cell and 15% cell. So Oppo's cells more and iPhone cells less. Okay, that is the use of pie chart. Okay, now the next topic, donut chart. Donut chart shows the relationship of parts to whole. It is like a pie chart, but can plot more than one data series. Means both are same, but here you can showing data from one data series, and here you can plot more than one data series. Now take another example, donut. You can see here the sales of mobile companies in January month, February month, March month. Okay, now select it, click on the insert option and choose all chart type. In all chart type option, when you will click, then you can see our donut. Look here. Okay, now click here and press OK. Look, that is a donut chart. Okay, where you can see more than one data series you can plot. Okay, in the form of cycle or pie. Is that clear? That is the use of donut chart. Okay, and the last type is look here, area chart. An area chart shows the magnitude of change in a data over a period of time. It is similar to the line chart, except that the area below the plotted line is filled to indicate magnitude. Means it is similar to line chart. Look here, it is line chart, but that area is not filled. That area is not filled, but in the case of area, that is filled by a particular color. Okay, now I'm going to take two series 1 and series 2. Okay, the value is series 1 and the value of series 2. Here you can see the value of series 2 is greater than value of series 1. Now select this one. Okay, click on the insert button and click on the line chart. When you click on the line chart, then you can see that is a series 1. Which one? Blue color, and series 2 is a red color. Okay, that is a line chart. Okay, and difference between the line chart and area chart, click on the insert button, choose area chart. Okay, second option, not this one, this one. Okay, what you can see, area below the plotted line is filled to indicate magnitude. Area below the plotted line is filled to indicate the magnitude. Okay, that is difference between line chart and area chart. Got it? So here your all types of chart has completed. After that, your next topic is you can see creating a chart. That one is already completed in my previous video. Next one is modifying chart, changing the chart type. How can you change the chart type? Look here, like that. Suppose that that is column chart. Okay, in column chart, that is the chart styles. select this one, click on the insert option. You can see different types of chart: line chart, column chart, pie chart. Where you will click, that chart type will be applied. That is a part of changing the chart type. Okay, that is a part of changing the chart type. Here you can see a bar chart is applied. When you click on the column chart, here you can see a column chart will applied. Okay, and that is a part of changing the chart type. Okay, so in this way you can change the chart type. Next one, adding the chart title. How to add the chart title, I have already explained you in a previous video, so that one is also completed. Next one, adding the axis title. How to adding the axis title of the x-axis and title of the y-axis, both are completed in my previous video. Okay, after that, the next topic is more layout tab command. So this topic I will explain you in next video. Okay, have a good day.